embankment and across long prickly grass with thistles and nettles, all the way to the end of two enormous ponds. Strangely, Rocky had no marks or even scratches on his bare feet.
I went to the funeral home, the funeral director, and we had seen the body.
I made a decision very early on that this was an accidental drowning.
Yes.
On the face of it.
On the face of it. So if you've already told somebody, like a pathologist, that it's a drowning case and it's not suspicious, then the post-mortem will be done on the basis that, in theory, we already know what the outcome is because this child drowned.
From the minute they found them, they found them drowning. Nothing else. And they haven't even explored any other options ever.
And once it's out in the public, it's like a tunnel vision. Well, the kids get city drowned.
What do you understand